This is a tutorial for EdPuzzle. So when you go to Google Classroom, you will be clicking classwork and it will show you all of these different options. You're going to choose the one that says EdPuzzle in the beginning. So this one is EdPuzzle Chapter 1 excerpt. It gives you two options. You can click this link, which is assigned to you, which means that you will automatically be logged in as long as you are logged in your OUSD Google account. If it does not work, you can click the link up here. I'm currently not logged in into my EdPuzzle account, but it still brings me here, and the same thing should happen on your screen. So here you'll click play, and this one has a note in the beginning. So the note is just saying to follow along as we read this excerpt from Chapter 1, The Lightning Thief. We're starting on page 8 and ending on page 15. The reason why this is posted here is in case you want to follow along on your own book while you listen to the audio. Make sure to jot down any wonders, notices, or hard vocab words. If you notice any hard vocabulary on here, make sure to write it down and we can discuss them during class together. So that way there will be no confusion. You have the option of clicking rewatch, skip, or continue. When you click rewatch, it will start you from the beginning. If you click skip, it will simply skip this message. And if you click continue, it will take you to the next page. So these two take you to the same beginning, but this one makes you skip the note. So you will be clicking continue. Just 1 second. So you press continue.
The class gathered on the front steps of the museum.
And the video starts. And you see these little tear drops here, or water drops. Each one of them will make the story pause, and it'll have a question or a note. So the first one that we saw right here was that note talking about what we're supposed to do while we're listening this audiobook. The second dot is the first question. How does Nancy Bobofet end up in the fountain? Why is Percy confused about what happened? So you have the option to rewatch, skip, and submit will not show up unless you type something. Some of you may not have the skip option on there. But if you do not press it. If you want to get credit for whatever assignment you are doing, you need to type in an answer that's not high, just a normal answer to the question, and then click submit. And then you're going to click continue.
I went after Mrs. Dodds.
On the next dot, it has a different question, and you click potential answer, and you click submit. And it'll tell you that it is wrong, and it'll show you the correct answer.
You've been giving us problems, honey,
and
she said.
You will listen and watch the video until you get to these dots, and then you'll answer them. Yours should not give you the option of skipping forward, but if it does, do not skip forward because then you will not know how to answer the question. Each little bit of information is giving you the answer. So you need to listen to it in order to respond and do the activity. So as it goes along, it will automatically stop at the teardrops and give you time to answer the questions. And then this will go on until the very end. There's one last question. What do we know about Percy so far? And once you take a moment to think about it and infer on the answer, you will write it down. And then when you're done writing it down, you click submit and continue. And these were the two questions you did not do. So it may give you if it gave you the option to skip, it will give you the option to go back. But if it does not give you the option to skip, it means that you cannot go back to answer them, or it won't let you continue until you answer them. So make sure you do every single question for credit before you log off. If you have any more questions about how to use EdPuzzle, please feel free to comment them down below this post. Thank you.